Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the TARS AI token. Ticker symbol is TAI. Now this token here is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting tomorrow, May 2nd. We're going to go over the information on the TARS AI token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this looks like a cross-chain token. I'm going to have to go over on their documents, though, exactly what chains, because it seems to be a lot there. I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen. It looks like probably all the chains there that you see in that banner are the ones that it's available on, because I was just at their webpage, and it's saying TARS is now live on KCEX. TARS is now live on Arbitrum. I just saw something about Solana. And then I'm looking up at the banner and there's all these symbols there for different blockchains. So that would make sense that it would be on those blockchains, but we'll verify that for sure in a second here. They have a huge following, 247,400 Twitter followers. It says TAI, AI-driven and scalable Web3 infrastructure, empowering projects with cutting-edge AI solutions, and one-stop BAAS grant by Solana Foundation. So yeah, huge Twitter following, almost 500 tweets, gold verified checkmark, and it was just announced. It says the TAI token is coming to the Bybit spot trading platform, and the listing time will be May 2nd, 10 a.m. UTC time. Deposits and withdrawals will be available via the Solana network. Now, I'm assuming you could also get the token with USDT. It doesn't specify though, but it says deposits and withdrawals via Solana. So basically tomorrow, May 2nd, 10 a.m. UTC time, you can get this token by downloading Bybit from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search TAI, and then simply just buy the token. If it's not available on USDT, it says Solana there, so just verify what you would be funding your wallet with first when you check it out here. So it says, oh, they're going on many different exchanges here. So it says listing on Bybit Gate. Sometimes, different countries, not sometimes, but basically different countries are allowed to use different exchanges. So in my country, I'm not allowed to use Bybit. I'm not allowed to use Gate. But I am allowed to use Mexc Global. So they are being listed on Mexc Global, Bybit, Gate, and it also says Raydium. The Solana version will go over to Raydium May 2nd. So you have many different options to get this token here. They're also listed on CoinMarketCap, it says. You can check info out on there. Their initial market cap is $550,000, and their fully diluted valuation is $10 million. So like I said, big project. But yeah, you can also get this token on Mexc if Bybit's not available in your area, or Gate. I do have an Mexc global referral code down there in the description box. You could use that if you like. It'd be the same steps. You just basically follow the same thing. Just go right through that Mexc global referral code, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search TAI. But that'll be tomorrow, May 2nd, 10 a.m. Same thing with Solana, but using a Phantom wallet, Solflare wallet through Raydium. Fund your wallet with Sol. Now, if you go over to the link tree there that's on that Twitter, that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. They have the website, Twitter, Telegram, Docs, Mirror, GitHub. So it says, empowering the Web3 leap, AI for all. TARS is an AI-driven, scalable Web3 modular infrastructure platform enabling organizations and individuals to effortlessly transition from Web 2 to Web 3. There's an AI hub on their webpage. There you can request a collaboration. You can book a demo. They have a full CertiK audit, PEC Shield audit. So you can check that out. Document section, spaces, claimer, smart, SAFT, Web3 staff, authenticator, AI hub, TARS GPU dashboard, all sorts of links on their page here. So it says, we're constantly innovating and adding new features to empower both organizations and individuals in the Web3 ecosystem, helping them effortlessly transition from Web 2 to Web 3. TARS AI Hub serves as the premier Web3 AI aggregator, offering a user-friendly interface to streamline access to various cutting-edge AI tools and services, catering to the diverse needs of organizations and individuals in the Web3 ecosystem. TARS protocol enables seamless integration with popular Web3 platforms and wallets, allowing users to access AI services using their existing Web3 credentials and assets without the need for additional registrations. TARS protocol supports multiple blockchain networks, allowing businesses and developers to harness and power AI across various platforms, expanding their reach and fostering interoperability in the Web3 space. TARS protocol provides a comprehensive BaaS platform, empowering developers and businesses to build, deploy, and manage their own blockchain applications and smart contracts, driving innovation in the Web3 ecosystem. TARS protocol enables projects to integrate their native tokens, giving their users access to AI tools and services, and increasing their token utility, all promoting growth and value for the entire ecosystem. TARS protocol is dedicated to fostering a vibrant community of developers, businesses, and users, providing resources, support, and collaborations opportunities to drive innovation and growth in Web3 and AI space. So the TARS use cases here, it's got the token-driven AI utility. By partnering with Web3 projects, TARS empowers their tokens with AI utility, enabling their communities to access premium AI tools and services by holding specific tokens. They help organizations and individuals effortlessly bridge the gap between Web 2 and Web 3 by providing necessary tools, resources, and knowledge to adapt to the new decentralized world. They have streamlined token distribution. They have customizable Web3 portals. They have simplified fundraising and token sales, decentralized identity verification, decentralized collaboration, and cross-chain AI access. So they have the TARS AI Hub, TARS Space, Claimer, Smart SAFT, Web3 Staff, Authenticator. They're backed by the Solana Foundation and trusted by 20-plus Web3 companies. They've been seen in all sorts of different news articles. You can find a lot of the articles on their page. Tons of links. Check out the full document section. Tons of socials and an email, a newsletter, all sorts of things on their webpage, tars.pro. Go check it out. You can find all the links on that link tree right there. You can find this token newly listed on Raydium, Bybit, Gate, and Mexc Global starting tomorrow. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.